Hey guys, welcome back to Mix and Make, and today we're going to do a Temu Bead haul. Let's get started. First up, we got some clay beads with some Crystal Tech 0.8 stretchy string or whatever. I already opened this because I kind of got too excited over this little charm bracelet Pandora looking thing, so I opened it. My bad. Anyway, we got a ton of colors of clay beads. Over here, we got a bunch of beads and charms to add on. Some smiley faces, pony beads, letter beads, evil eye, charms for this little Pandora bracelet I made earlier. See, check it out. Some bags for some sort, maybe gift bags, I don't know. Crystal Tech. And yeah. That's everything about this. Next up, I'm struggling. We got some 0.5 millimeter pearl beads. See? Oh god. It came with 200 pieces, but it's now 199 because I dropped one. They could have given more of these though, but it's fine. See? We also got these two pearl beads. One's like a white and this one has like that beige shine. So let's start with this one actually. Okay. The package is a little small, but it's fine. Ta-da! Why am I dropping everything today? See? We got the white beads, the white pearls. 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm, I think. See? We got this fancy little pearl, different shaped pearl or whatever it is. Is there like a name? I don't know what it's called, but it's like some kind of pearl. Ta-da! We got some regular pearls. These little roses. See? Can you see that little? Hearts. Bows. Butterfly. More roses. Some string. And this, whatever. We got these gold beads, because why not? See? I think this size has to be like, I think 4 or 2mm. I don't know what size they are. Also, tip when you get beads off like online stores, always check the size. Why? Because I have had many instances where I accidentally got the wrong size. We got some wooden beads, because why not? We also got these flower tulip, whatever kind. See, why are they in 3 different bags? See, that's cute. We also got some peach charms. See, open this up. See, wait, let me see. I like these actually. See, ta-da! These are good earrings actually. We also got these glow-in-the-dark apple charms. See, like that. Can you get that? Okay. These remind me of cherries, but also look like apples at the same time. We also got some of these gold charms I've been trying to get my hands on for quite some time. Let's see what we pick. We got cherry, some what else? I also got some gold jewelry findings because I have a bunch of silver ones, which is okay, I guess. Wait. See, some head pins, eye pins, and extension chain. We'll open that after. See? I'll organize this later. We got some silver jewelry chain. So we got this. We got a variety, see? We got quite a lot of actually different like versions of chain, see? See, those are the, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got like 10 different varieties of chain. Came with some lobster clasps. Oh, No, lobster clasp. Sorry, jump rings. More jump rings and whatever these are called. We also got a gold version of those chains. I think this is slightly different. I'm not sure. It's like yep, similar to the silver chain like before. We got some gold chain with lobster clasps, whatever these things are. These again, and more jump rings. We got some silver memory wire. See, it's like, see, ooh. It's kind of like actually a slingy. See, ta-da. Wonder what this is used for. We also got some more silver memory wire, but I got the wrong size. See? Oh, what? Why is this attached? See? Ta-da! These are more like springs instead of slingies, but it's fine. So yeah. We also got gold memory wire, the same mini one that I accidentally ordered. The wrong size again. It's fine. See, ta-da! Oh, it's fine. Finally, we got some Crystal Tech elastic. That's one what's it called, centimeter or millimeter, and whatever. See. Oh. And I guess that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until then, keep mixing, keep making, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!